sure a lot of you will recognize this lock. It's a Mindy lock. I believe it's made in China. And it has one of these pyramid type key bits to them. And it comes in two styles, one that's sort of two-dimensional like this, and another one that's more three-dimensional, has more sides to it on either side of here. And what it does, these little notches push down three springs that are inside of this lock. I don't know if I can show them to you or not. You can see them there. And depending upon the depth of these cuts is how far they push the spring in to determine how to open the lock, open the shackle up. They have to be all three at a certain distance apart for the shackle to open. We'll put the key in. It's on a spring. As you can see, you have to push the key all the way in and rotate it. It will open. And it has little shim guards on it. Turn the key so you can lock it back up. Now to pick this thing, I haven't been able to pick it, but you need to get something like a wiper blade to go down into the very bottom of it into a groove. Rotate this, apply pressure on it. Then you need to get a probe like this to go into it and push down all three of those rings until they click in place. Then you can rotate it, unlock it. But I haven't been successful in doing it. I've seen Bosnia and Bill do it. And I think Lockpicking Lori also has done it. But the only way I can open it up is with shims. And that's what we'll do right now. Bit one. These are two large, extra large Sparrow shims. We'll stick this down in here and rotate it inward. That's where the locking pawl is. I'll take the other one. We'll put it on the other side. Now this is where it gets a little bit difficult because of the picking guard, shim guard here. But the larger one is able to circumvent that. Let's see if we get that in there. Get it to rotate. Push down on the shackle, and hopefully it will open. There we go. We got it. That guard does the job for blocking the shims. But if you work at it, it does open. So that's how I open up a Mindy lock. Thanks for watching.